Hi, good day, M6329. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. My name is Eileen Pasinio. I am from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Philippines. I am 35 years old. I am a Roman Catholic. I have a live-in partner with we have two children, a 6 years old girl and a 2 years old boy. And my working experience here in Philippines is a nanny of a 9 months old girl for 3 years in a couple family, 3 members, 9 months old girl, and my main duties are preparing the milk and the food of the baby, bathing her, changing her diaper, and sometimes when the parents is at home, I do the general cleaning.
Okay, so you have an experience taking care of a newborn, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes,
And you know how, and you have an idea how to prepare a meal for a newborn baby, right?
yes.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To earn a high salary and for saving money for the future.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more than.
Okay, message for your future employer.
To my future employer, if you hired me, I promise I'll do my best and to serve you. I am a hardworking person and a trustworthy person. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Eileen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.